All right, so very interesting news is that I found out the iOS has chess where it says beta and you have to tap to log in, but a Samsung phone or Android phone, I guess, might be where it stays logged in and it doesn't have that tap to log in where it keeps logging you out. So I'm going to try using ChessUp app with an Android device instead of iOS. Maybe that'll help because I played two bots back to back, and I was doing that while using the ChessUp app on my iPhone that I'm using to record this right now, and the games didn't transfer over at all on my chess.com app, so I can't analyze that. So I'm gonna see if it works. I'm gonna go against the bot and see if it transfers over this time. Okay, let's see. Nope. Yeah, so that game didn't get on here either. Uh, so yeah, so games aren't really syncing up to the chess.com app for some reason. Um, Again, still great board, the best, just like as far as playing on it, I guess. But yeah, the games are really not reliably syncing. Like sometimes they do. If you play a rated game against a regular opponent, like I said, that seems to always sync up without a problem. It's just playing with bots. I like to analyze those games too, but that's like not doable at all for some reason. Also, the app is different from iOS and Android in that the iOS chess says beta, the Android one doesn't. It seems to stay logged in. Sorry about that. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions.